Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 10, Mensuration. Exercise 10.2, question number 4. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Solution. Question number 4. Solution. Given that volume of cube is equal to volume of cube B is equal to volume of cube A cube, side into side is equal to 64 centimeter cube. A cube is equal to 64, write in 4 into 4 into 4. A cube is equal to 4 cube. Here powers are equal, bases also equal, therefore A is equal to 4 centimeters. Side of the cube is equal to 4 centimeters. When two cubes are added, the length of the cube is equal to two cubes are added. The length of two cubes are added to form a cuboid. The length of a cuboid is equal to the length of cube is equal to 4 centimeters. The length of cuboid is equal to 2 into A is equal to 2 into 4, 8 centimeters. Breadth of cuboid, breadth is equal to also 4 centimeters, and height is equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore, total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is equal to 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4 is equal to 2 into 8 4 is 32 plus 4 4 is 16 plus 8 4 is 32 is equal to 2 into 32 plus 32 64 plus 16 is equal to 2 into 64 plus 16 80. 2 into 80 is equal to 160 centimeter square or square centimeters. Therefore, surface area of cuboid is equal to 160 centimeter square. Surface area of resulting cuboid is equal to 160 centimeter square.